Hello guys, welcome to another video on this channel. And today we are playing Livik again, and I'm dropping in Midstone with my two friends here. So I'm just gonna take to the action. So I got a M416 here. This guy was running in this building, and I tried to knock him, but I couldn't knock him. Then I came over here. Then I heard footsteps in the building in the front, and I saw a person. Climbing down from this building. So he dropped down. He would have got some damage, and I damaged with my M416. And his teammate was hiding behind the car, but he went there and revived him. So I couldn't kill both of them. So here my teammate knocked out a person behind there. That mark, he marked it for me. Then I went there and rushed him. I took TPP over here. I damaged him with some bullets. I managed to connect some bullets. Then I was hiding behind this car. In the meanwhile, my teammate killed his teammate. Then I took TPP for a long time over here until I saw that his focus wasn't on me. So he saw me running, and he couldn't do anything because I was already there and I was ready to kill him. So I killed him over here. Then here me and one person did a trade. I knocked him out, and he knocked both of my teammates, both of my friends. But thankfully his other teammate, the person who knocked out my two teammates, was offline. As you can see, there's a person over there who's offline at the right side of the building. So I was thinking at that time, what is this person doing? It turns out that this was the same person who I had knocked earlier, who dropped down from the building. So I went to revive my other teammate over here, and I told my number 2 teammate to cover us. So in the meanwhile, he killed the offline person who I had knocked earlier. Then I revived my teammate. I gave him some meds. Then I came here, took TTP, and I saw this person running towards the wall, and I knocked him out. Then I was trying to search for his remaining teammates, but I couldn't because he got knocked out. I saw gas can over here. I tried to connect at least one bullet so the gas can would blow, and this person would get killed, but I just couldn't connect my bullets. But then he was crawling towards the door, and I just killed him over there only. So the people over here were finished, and then we reached over here into the last circle. We dropped over here. Only 3 of us were remaining, and at this point a person knocked out my teammate from the mountain with the DP28. I threw a smoke grenade just to be extra safe, because my teammate would have got revived even though if I didn't throw a smoke, but just to be extra safe, I threw a smoke. Then at this point of time, I spotted him, and I saw him, and he was in the open, and but fair play to him, he managed to damage me a lot. Like I don't think I have even 10 HP left, but I killed him. Then I saw a person over here, but I spotted his head, and I killed him as well and secured my 5th kill over here. Then here the last person was remaining. We were searching for him, and here he knocked out both of my teammates. I was panicking over here. He knocked out one of my teammates. I was like, okay, he's a serious person. But when he knocked out my second teammate, I was panicking a little bit. So I called my teammate over here to revive him. I was right over here. Then I heard him rushing towards me, so I left the revive and came over here. I took TPP over here for a long time until he lost patience and rushed towards me. Then in the end he rushed towards me, and I choked my aim in the beginning, but I had my luck, and he actually didn't know what to do, and he jumped out of the building, which was very wrong. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.